Hello. I have loved you only in my mind, but I know that there will come a time you feel this feeling I have inside. You're a hopeless romantic, is what they say. Guys, ulit. Ulit every minute, every second of the day, I dream of you in the most special way. You're beside me all the time, all the time. I have loved you and that all is well. Call it crazy, but I know someday you'll feel this feeling I have for you inside. I'm a hopeless romantic, I know I am. Memorize all the lines, but here I am, struggling for words, I still don't know what to say. What to say? Don't know what to do whenever you are near. Don't know what to say, my heart is floating in tears. When you pass by, I could fly. Every minute, every second of that day, I dream of you in the most special way. You're beside me all the time, all the time, all the time. Your love, the music. This is my first time cover na meron akong desktop. Magpo-copy. First time video na may desktop. Try lang. People can tell every time that your eyes meet mine. May tubig pati na.
Oo. Kaya, may tubig pa.
Kaya nga.
Di ba gusto maligo? Maligo ka na.
Mamaya, tapusin ko lang to.
Kasi magkulay ka.
Balik ko muna bago magkulay?
Or magkulay ka kaya muna ngayon.
Okay.
Hindi naman mawala yung tubig mo.
Mamaya
na, di ba?
Tapusin ko lang to.
Kulay mo muna.
I-try ko eh. Acapella.
Kapera? Kapera.
How do I get through a night without you? If I had to live without you, What kind of love would that be? Oh, I need you in my arms, need you to hold. You're my world, my heart, my soul. If you ever will leave, well, baby, you will take away everything good in my life. Tell me now, how do I live without you? I want to know, how do I breathe without you? If you ever go, how do I ever survive? How do I, how do I live without you? Tinitingnan ko, meron naman, inano ko yung cortina para makalabas. Makalabas? Para makita ko. I'll never love this way again. Look inside my fantasies, made each one come true. Something no one else had ever found a way to.
Saan ba yan dyan?
The memory. Somewhere, I'm breaking my heart. Alin? Wala akong sinabi. Ikaw lang yung nagsasabi. Hindi ako nagsabi na oo. Alaga ah. Okay, ano ba nangyari? Ginagawa ako. Ginagawa. Ha? Ginagawa ako, bitch ako. Hello from the other side. To tell me I'm sorry.
Kaya na nga yung pagkulay nandiyan sa gilid. No?
Anymore. Akapela ba tawag sa walang boses lang talaga?
Oo, yung parang ano lang.
Never go away. I should be much too smart for this. You know it gets the better of me sometimes. When you and I collide, I fall into an ocean of you. Pour me out in time, don't let me drown. Let me down. I say it's all because of you.
Dito?
Ha?
Sa labas? Nangangamoy?
Labas. May nasusunog eh. I'm practicing your name so I can say it to your face. It doesn't say that's look. You and the eyelids, all the things mean to me. I say it's infinitely true. Say you'll stay, don't come and go like you do. Stray my way, yeah, I need to know all about you. Nawala tuloy, nawala ako. Know it to be sure. For everything is turned inside out, is selling so much doubt it makes me so tired. I feel so uninspired. My head is battling with my heart. My logic has been torn apart, and now all turns sour. Comes sweet in every afternoon. Say you'll stay, don't come and go like you do. Sway my way, yeah, I need to know all about you. You'll stay. Mag-adobo ng baboy. Oh, kung marami yon, pinabutan paggabi, mga umagahan pa. Ano nga eh, inano ko yung bata pagka alas 11 punta niya ako dito. O kaya kahit hindi mag alas 11 punta siya dito. Sige po! Salamat! Kasi, mabili ako baboy ha?
Mabili ka rin ng ano. Gusto mo ba lagi ng ano? Ng pinya?
Yun na nga tidbits yung nga ipapabili ko. Patanong ko dun. Ano meron?
Sarap.
Yun nga.
Mabili ka din ng sili na green boy.
Meron ako sila na bumili ako kahapon.
Bumili ka ba kahapon?
Di ba bumili nga ako ng, merong ng okra dyan, merong kamatis.
May dumaan.
Oo, yung kahapon. Yung sitaw nandun. Kanina. Say you'll stay, don't come and go like you do. Sway my way, yeah, I need to know. Oo nga, layo man, Rizal. Where you stay, don't come and go like you do. Yeah, I need to know all about you. turning out just another day. I took a shower and I went on my way. I stopped there was used while I had a coffee and pie. When I turned to leave, I couldn't believe my eyes. Standing there, I didn't know what to say. Without one touch, we stood there face to face. And I was dying inside to hold you. I couldn't believe what I felt for you. Dying inside, I was dying inside, but I couldn't bring myself to touch you. You said hello, then you was my name. I didn't know if I should go all the way. I died, I felt my life had really changed. I knew that it would never be the same. Standing there, I didn't know what to say. But time looked away when I whispered your name. And I was dying inside to hold you. I couldn't believe what I felt for you. Dying inside, I was dying inside, but I couldn't bring myself to touch you. And I was dying inside to hold you. I couldn't believe what it felt for you. Dying inside, I was dying inside, but I couldn't bring myself to touch you. One hello changed my life. I didn't believe in love at first sight, but you showed me what it's like. And I know my love is coming right. I was dying inside to hold you. I couldn't believe what I felt.
Ano ba yan? Ano nga yan?
Hindi na halata eh. But I couldn't bring myself to touch you.
Uy, tanggalin mo yan.
Dying inside. Kala ko may bibili. Kala ko may bibili.
Silay! Silay! Sabi mo, tawag mo na napunta doon. Sien, may trako, Sien!
Di ba do not wash your hair before dyeing?
O so, tama, maligo.
Before nga, do not wash.
Before.
Oo, sabi ko after. Before nga, di ba?
Gisap mata.
Do not wash your hair before dyeing. Before your hair or hair product.
Bili po.
Ano? Coke, Mountain Dew. Royal.
Mountain Dew sa... Malaki tayo, daw malaki. Ang malaki.
Mountain Dew?
Oo.
Ano, maliit ba? Malaki?
Kaya ko ubusin siya. Dalawang malaki. Kaya ko ubusin sa piraso eh. Mahilit ko sa mga bigas sa mga ko. Ay, yung barangay din ka ako. Huwag na alam. Dahil gwadya ko itong bigay ko. Kasi kung gwadya ko wala alam mo. Kung ako, kung lang kami. Ikaw. Malboro red. Kaya pagdating sa sniper,
Ilang
magaling yan.
Marlboro red?
Dalawa. Hiyatin namin. Hiyatin namin.
Okay na?
Okay po.
Di palitan yung isa tayo.
Dumi na po. Yung parang gagambang na ewan. Diyan eh.
Ilang Malboro?
Apat po.
Kulang.
Hindi na ako
Hindi,
nag-open eh.
nag-ate siya ng bike. Kasama talaga kami. Nag-ate siya ng bike. Kaya wala mo yung tropa. Sige ba? Oo. Walang masayang isang yan eh. Sige, nakatami ko siya duman. Salamat. Pila yun ah, pila tayo eh. Pila laban tayo. Isa lang. Isiga. Isiga. Ako, 14, 15. Ay, ito naman ba? 14, 15. Kuhin ka ng resume ko. Okay na. Sige. Ay, guys, kuhin ba? Meron pa nga ito, dalawa eh. Tagisa na. UTI. Paikot-ikot tayo. Ilang oras yun? Hindi tayo. Kamayawi talaga tayo kitikit eh. Hindi sila oban eh. Sila oban, naniligaw tayo eh. Wow. Hindi natin maningin kasi dito tayo eh. Paikot-ikot eh. Pero alam mo, kapag uwi ka ako, bumabagot ka. Wala pa cellphone.
Malakas na yung tubig ah.
Ito mag-isa eh.
Wala.
Pero kung nalaman yung kami ko, simal sa 8 na yun, mga 7 dito kami tayo. Parang mauna.
Itong umaga lang, pagkalambing-lambing, ang iyong mga mata, ayok kong tumingin. Itong umaga lang, at pagkagaling-galing ng iyong sumpang walang aawat sa akin. Kay bilis namang maglaho ng pag-ibig mo sinta. Iig mo pa ang isang kisap mata. Hala, yung kape ko. Lamig na. Tubig na. Lang o ba, bigla namang nawala. Bait mo pa ang isang kisap mata.
Hindi lang kasama yan eh. Padrinos eh. Yung bar doon.
That's what nasa pata dumaan ng original. Sa daan dumaan eh.
Hantong sa labas, sabay naman soft drinks.
Paringgi.
Ano ba? Wala ba? Ay, sa store.
Kani-kanina lang, pagkaganda-ganda, ang pagkasabi mo, sana'y tayo na nga. Kanina lang, pagkasaya-saya ng buhay ko bigla na lamang nagiba. Kay bilis namang maglaho ng pag-ibig mo sinta. Daig mo pa ang isang kisap mata. Kanina'y nariyan lang o ba't bigla namang nawala. Daig mo pa ang isang kisap mata.
Buti hindi sumasok yung asin.
Hindi.
Nagkakagyan mo, nakagyan din tayo eh. Kaya hindi mo lang. Hindi ah.
Hindi ba taga dito yun? Hindi ba siguro?
Lalo ka pa, siguro eh.
Tanghali ba yung lutoy?
Kala ko.
Ha? Sino?
Lutoy.
Oo.
Kaya nga. Sabi niya. Nagkakasin ako dun eh.
Para hindi na magluto sa gabi. Ni kanina lang. Pagkaganda-ganda. Kani-kanina lang. Pagkasaya-saya.
Kaya tayo, wala talaga.
Eh, balik na kasi. Magalipat pa.
Pero kung pumunta tayo dito, gusto ka na isa, uwi na lang ako eh, pagkain ako eh.
Kay bilis namang maglaho ng pag-ibig mo sinta. Daig mo pang isang kisap mata. Puno na doon, te? Lang mo ba bigla namang nawala.
Meron din ako dito.
Daig mo pang isang kisap mata. Thank you. Yes, I'm so easy. All the love and me, the feelings we share. Baba. Still can remember how your touch was so tender. It told me you care. We had a once in a lifetime, but I just couldn't see it until it was gone. A second once in a lifetime, maybe too much to ask, but it's worth from the horn. If ever you're in my arms again, this time I'll love you much better. If ever you're in my arms again, this time I'll hold you forever. This time will never end. I see clearly how I still need me. I still love you so. There's something between us that won't ever leave us. There's no letting go. We had a once in a lifetime, but I just didn't know it. So my life fell apart. A second once in a lifetime isn't too much to ask. It's a swear from the heart. If ever you're in my arms again, this time I love you much better. In my arms again, this time I hold you forever. This time will never end. Ano, te?
Ay, yung ano ko pala, mamaya na lang pala. Kaya ako pala yun. Kahapon ba? Wala. Tres lang. Dala ko. Sigurado na yun mamaya na.
Lady. Oh, what? There's something between us that will never leave us. There's no letting go. We had a once in a lifetime, but I just didn't know it till my life fell apart. A second once in a lifetime isn't too much to ask, 'cause it's word from the heart. If ever you're in my arms again, this time I love you much better. If ever you're in my arms again, this time I hold you forever. This time will never end. Never end. The best of romances deserve second chances. I'll get to you somehow, 'cause I promise now. If ever you're in my arms again, this time I'll love you much better. If ever you're in my arms again, this time I'll hold you forever. This time will never end. Saan kaya meron dito mura na ano? Yung full, maliligo lang, hindi hindi mag-overtime. Yung maliligo lang. Hindi ko nga alam, hindi naman ako na-research na ganyan. Kasi maganda kasi dun mag-plan sa pool, yung view. Ako nakapag-search. Ano ko dito?
Iba yung gamit ko. Sira na yung
Oh?
magpasa pa ako ng tapos na tao.
Naman?
Ayun naman ako pinagpasa. Magpasa pa ako ng
The trees when I stand here, taking every breath with you. You're the only one. How can you just walk away from me? And all I can do to leave. 'Cause we've shared the laughter and the pain, and haven't shared the tears. You're the only one who really know me at all. So take a look at me now. where there's just an empty space, and there's nothing left her to remind me. Just the memory of your face. In me now, there's just an empty space, and you're coming back to me. It's against the odds, and it's what I gotta face. I wish I could just make you turn around and see me cry. There's so much I need to say to you, so many reasons why. You're the only one who really know me at all. So take a look at me now, where there's just an empty space. Leave her to remind me, just the memory of your face.
Anong ginagawa?
Ray.
Anong ginagawa mo?
La. Hello, Ray. Ray. Madilim. Ma'am, ayan.
Ano yun?
Ang ano pala ng mama niya, no? Yung mama niya ba? Klarong-klaro talaga. Mama! Uy!
Kuhaan mo na yung pera.
All or Nothing. Covered by Samang Gubat.
Bili na kayo ng...
Knowing he's been
Chocolate?
on your mind, that this
Bilisan niyo pagpunta dito,
love is
marami chocolate
in
dyan.
your eyes. I thought with time
Kuhain mo yung
you'd
pera.
realize it's over. It's not the way I choose to live. Something some are scared to give.
Ano nangyari sa cellphone mo?
In this relationship, it's over. You know what's right for you, but I can fight for someone who isn't even there. I had the rest of you, now I want the best of you. I don't care if that's
Kanta,
not
baby, kanta.
fair, 'cause I want it all
Ganda, baby, dali.
or nothing at all.
Ganda, Starla, dali.
There's no only to go when you reach the bottom. It's now or never. Is it on? Or I'll be just friends. Is this how it's in with a simple telephone call? You let me hold with nothing at all. Asa na? Kumanta?
Pinakanta na, dali.
Ayaw.
Kanta na, dali.
Sean Rai. Riley. Huh? Ano?
Kasi sabi mo kasi, Ray, na ching, ching, ching.
Yung ipin. Sean Rai.
Starla. Ganda na, dali. Hindi naman kasi yan.
Riley. Anong aba-aba?
Hindi naman yun, apa.
Aba.
Hindi, mali. Ulit.
Twinkle, little Riley. Little Riley.
Dali na, kanta na. Kanta na, Bibe.
You're nothing at all.
Kanta na, dali, kanta na. Ano? Si ate.
Ray, Ray. Tao naman na bata, oy. Uli tao.
Ano yan, ano yan?
Ray, Ray, Ray. Ray, Ray, Ray.
Ano yan?
So, Starla.
Superman?
Ah, Superman pala.
Chocolate?
Tara. Tara. Tara.
Ngipin na. Chocolate? Sige na. Chocolate? Chocolate. Bili kayo ng chocolate ni Papa. Bili kayo ng chocolate ni Papa.
Ang ngipin mo.
Chocolate ah, hindi chocolate. Chocolate. Bili kayo chocolate. Pabili.
Ano?
Asin nga ate.
Ha?
Asin.
Asin. Lima.
Chocolate. Kuhain mo na yung pera. Baka maulan.
Doon sa junk shop.
Hello. Hello. Hindi mo rinig. Hello, 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 hello.
Oh. Oh, oh, oh.
Hello, 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 hello.
Ay, ay.
Hello, hello, hello.
Ayaw ko mag-headset, be. Ayaw ko muna mag-headset, be.
Yes. Yes. Nakaisip ang bata. Tingnan na, nakaisip. Tingnan, nakita mo.
Asan? Headset mo?
Tingnan ba siya?
Ay.
Pakita ng headset, pakita.
Eh.
Nilapit ka sa mukha kayo headset.
Ah, ito, ah, ito, ah. Ah, ah, ah. Ah, sa'yo na, dali. Kunin mo na, dali. Ay. Wala pa kaya alam mo.
Headset na.
Don't make me promise this, baby. You never did know how to keep them away. Give out the rest of you, now I want the best of you. It's time for show and tell. Cause I want it all or nothing at all. There's nowhere left to fall when you reach the bottom. It's now or never. Is it all? Oh, oh, just
Sayaw.
TikTok yan ah.
Tahog ni Carl.
Ah, tahong ni Carla.
Sayaw, dali. Baby pa siya eh.
Nakakatawa.
Hawak ko sa tainga eh.
Nakakatuwa din sa yung picture na yung talaga pa, oh. Tapos meron pa kami picture niya nung doon sa ako daw, eh. Maliit pa, maliit. Tapos ngayon, no? Ano ba?
Ang kulit eh. Tinulak na daw niya yung anak ni Lini sa haganan.
Uy, kalit nun.
Kaya nga, sabi ko, hindi na bukol. Hindi naman daw. Pero talaga nahulog. Sabi ko, kasi tinulak lang. Ang kulit-kulit. Ano pa saan? Bantayan naman kasi mamaya mo. Mapilag-pila yung anak ni Lini. Tinutulak eh. Yung hagdanan nila medyo mataas yun.
Ano din para sila din? Ah, dala.
Kumana sa dun sa bahay nila.
Ayun yun.
Ginawa niyan.
Ay! Oo, ang tao. Wala, yung bewang, oy. So,
Ganun-ganun mo sa nana. Magkwintas ba yun? Magkwintas ka sa ang masasabi.
happy birthday na, ah. Birthday mo na.
Anak, bukas sa birthday mo ah. Ngayon man dapat yung bukas yung celebrate.
Pero ngayon dapat siya.
Ngayon ko siya pinanganak ko.
17.
Bukas birthday. Bukas birthday pa yung anak. Ay, bukas birthday pa yung anak ko. Anak, bukas na yung birthday mo. Ano yung baliktad?
Ano yung ginagawa niya?
Ano yan?
3, no? 3.
Hindi, magsusulat siya. Sulat siya.
Uy, mag-alas 11 na.
O, hindi ganun pagsulat. Sinisira yung buwan naman niya. Malaruan niya por sila. Enjoy. Ano pa?
Nasaan pa ako?
Sumasayo nga siya. Oo, umakyat oh. Magdulog-dulogan ka naman yan sa artista. Ah. 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 Ano yan? Maray God.
What I got?
Maray. Ano yan? Maray God. Maray God, maray upay. Tingnan mo. Marag-galit eh.
Pahanginan ko kasi. Kalimutan ko kung hangin ko. Ay, yung blower niya. Oh. Blower. Andito. Blower ba? Ano ba blower? Blower nga, di ba? Labasan.
Sus man.
Labasan ng hangin niya. Blower.
Sus man. Basta na. Ano yan? Chocolate. Bili kayo ni Papa ng chocolate mo dyan. Punta na kayo dito. Maraming chocolate dito. Isang piraso.
Andun. Tanggal ko yung karton.
Karton ba sa lahat?
Tata na yung karton na ano.
Pero yung ano?
KitKat tsaka Snickers. Hindi yung ano.
Akala ko yung tabulo.
Hindi, nasa plastic yun.
Ano ba nagkagawa diyan?
I know the rise and the morning sun. Ano title na?
Ano ba yun? Ay,
Hello!
tingnan mo,
Ako'y
Sig.
magpapaalam na muna. He! Boy! He! Bo!
rabbit na.
Rabbit!
Ang rabbit, tumitingnan.